अमन बरसाख।
अमन बरसाख
यार ये क्या तस्वीर लगाई?
कौन सी वाली?
ये जो लगाई थी
कौन सी वाली?
अपने इंस्टाग्राम पे हाफ न्यूड जो लगाई थी, जरा चला देना यार।
तौबा नहीं, कब लगाई थी मैंने?
लगाई अब लगी हुई है, जिसमें लोगों ने कहा अस्तगफिरुल्लाह खुशहाल खान ये क्या कर रहे हो, तो अब मतलब वो भी करना है।
लगाई थी
लगाई थी। हाँ ये ऑब्वियसली लगी हुई है, क्या मतलब है लगाई थी?
हाँ लगी
हाँ
हुई
तो
है,
क्या सोच के लगाई थी?
क्या सोच के लगाई थी? वो उन्होंने लगाई थी, they were like अच्छा collaboration thing and all that.
You didn't know कि लग गई on your page एकदम?
नहीं, मुझे पता था लगी है, मैंने लगाई थी.
हाँ.
It was there's a whole story behind it. Like right now, I think it's too soon to see कि अच्छा क्या हो रहा है क्या नहीं है. लेकिन हाँ लगाई थी.
नहीं लगाई है, लगी भी है, लगी है, हाँ
लगाई थी, अभी तक है. But like you know,
बड़े उस पे लोगों ने तोबा तोबा की है.
It's a still of एक frame है, उसका still लिया हुआ है, तो उन्होंने वही वो किया हुआ है. So like what about it though?
जाहिर बात है, तो Instagram पे जो तस्वीर होगी वो still ही होगा ना.
It can be also video.
It could be a reel as well.
A reel, video or anything. Like what about it though? What about the picture?
नहीं पूछ रही हूँ क्या सोच के लगाई थी? कपड़े तो नहीं पहने हुए उसमें?
कपड़े पहने
हुए नजर नहीं आ रहे.
वो स्किन से मर्ज हो रहे.
अच्छा जैसे बाल मर्ज हो गए
थे अभी स्किन के साथ. लेकिन क्या कहते हैं, I'm excited for Barzakh.
है ना? So am I.
I'm excited to see like what we've done now. Like I know what we've done, but I haven't seen it like that.
Yeah.
You know, this one time
the story
when
sounds
we were shooting,
really strange and fun.
How do you know about the story? Do you know about the story?
I mean, जितनी उन्होंने reveal की भी है.
अच्छा.
हाँ. यार फवाद खान, सनम सईद, superb actors दोनों. You're asking ना अच्छे actors कौन है? ये दोनों अच्छे actors हैं. दोनों. माशाल्लाह से जबरदस्त actors हैं. You're a good actor. You get into the skin of a character. अभी तक मैंने जितना काम देखे हैं.
I tried.
Skin being the operative word for Barzakh right now.
See what she did there. That was nice.
Yeah.
हमने जो Barzakh में था ना, that was like a life-changing experience in a way. One of those experiences, you know, like where I became like a little obsessed with acting because I just started shooting for Issa Mehrbano ka in the start. तो फिर मुझे तो यकीन नहीं आ रहा था. फिर they were like constantly calling, and then I think I spoke to Zubia, who was the ED on set, right? And then उसने कोई महीने बाद मुझे कॉल की. She's like, listen, let me speak to the team. You go for audition, just get the audition done. उसने properly डांटा. उसके बाद फिर मैं गया audition के लिए. I just went there because they told me there are going to be snacks there. मैं चला गया, मैं कहा चलो snacks, I'm bored.
Snacks के लिए गए?
I went for snacks.
Good.
Because
क्या थे snacks?
Sandwiches.
Okay.
Mayonnaise, chicken spread. I like chicken spread.
ठीक है.
मूड था.
घर का बना हुआ या जो बोतल में?
घर का था. मैं लाहौर में था और मैं बोर था, घर पे था और they called me like ऑडिशन दे दे तो फिट होगा. मैं ओके दे देता हूँ, क्या जाएगा. And then I was on the set and someone was speaking. Qasim's doing this and Falafel is in it. And I'm like, I called Zubia. I'm like, BHA, क्या सीन है? मैंने कहा ये है कि नहीं है, ये सीन हो रहा है कि नहीं. She's like, I can't confirm nor deny. I'm like, done. Who do you think? Who's your favorite actor in the new generation? मैं खुद को निकाल रहा हूँ.
You?
No, मैं खुद को निकाल नहीं. वो पता था मुझे, इसलिए मैं निकाल रहा हूँ.
No, I really like Hakan as well. I think he's got a lot of potential.
Yeah.
और जितने वो roles कर रहा है, they're both. Although College Gate I couldn't follow after the third, fourth episode, I found it very, very gratuitous and very sort of pretentious, and मुझे लगा कि मैं नहीं कनेक्ट कर सकती इन बच्चों के साथ बिल्कुल भी. तो मैं नहीं देख पाई. लेकिन मुझे उसकी एक्टिंग, उसका कैरेक्टर अच्छा था. Even in Yuhi, I think he's good. Give me names.
New generation और कौन है? I think Komal Mir.
So Komal के मैंने जियो के एक दो ड्रामे हैं उनके उसके देखे. बादशाह बेगम was good.
She's also done. She's good.
But I can't say anything about her acting yet.
अच्छा.
I just think she's a very Barbie doll kind of a figure, you know. She looks very
pretty. She's a good actor.
She's a good actor.
अच्छी करती है.
I wanted to watch the Ramzan play, but there was too much happening at that time. मैं देख नहीं सकी.
Veshi. She was very good in that.
हाँ, she was with you in Veshi.
मैंने बोला.
हाँ. ठीक है.
मैं तो अपनी प्रमोशन.
तभी इसीलिए बोला या कुछ और वजह है बोलने की?
नहीं.
अच्छा.
She's a good actress. और कौन है?
मुझे पूछ रहे हो, खुद बता रहे हो?
I'm asking.
You're asking me.
You told me to give you names.
हाँ.
You give
okay, with the young girls, I feel, and this goes for Komal and a lot of young girls that I see, I think there's too much pressure on how they look on camera. I'm not seeing natural acting coming in this new generation of female actors.
Okay.
I feel there's a lot of focus on how they're looking, that they need to look pretty and dress pretty and all of that. And natural mujhe bata do kaun hai. For example, like amongst the boys, I've seen you letting your guard down. I've seen Ashir Wajahat letting his guard down completely. John B. Right? He's completely, he can. Khan, I feel can, he hasn't till now, but mujhe lagta hai wo kar dega.
Okay.
So the boys are a bit more confident and they're experimenting in different roles. लड़कियों में मुझे लगता है बहुत ज़्यादा pressure है कि they have to look pretty all the time. वरना मुझे बताओ कौन लड़कियां हैं who've done something that is odd, an odd role amongst the new generation.
Okay. Understandable.
Huh.
There are people who've done it, but like...
Has it made a mark?
Yeah, has it
Who even has done it? Rumesa is good.
Rumesa is good.
Rumesa
was good in John.
Yeah, absolutely. Rumesa was good in John. Rumesa was even good on the Ramzan play.
So is there an interview that you haven't done that you would want to do?
Yeah, I'm sure. Aajkal I want to interview Tom Cruise.
Tom Cruise?
Right now. Only because Mission Impossible was so good.
Okay.
But
what would you ask him?
Huh? Yeah, how does he do it at this age? It's just amazing. What drives him? He's answered all these questions. The problem with the seasoned actors is that they've answered all the questions.
Yeah.
They've done it all.
Yeah.
And सब कुछ उनको पूछ लिया गया है, सब कुछ के बारे में वो बात कर चुके हैं, which was a big dilemma when I was interviewing Shah Rukh Khan. I was like, मैं क्या पूछूंगी, which he hasn't been asked before. So then we sat down and we talked about him being the mother in the house.
Okay.
हाँ, on his maternal instincts. फिर पूरा interview इस चीज के बारे में था कि वो ज़्यादा माँ है. मैंने कोई हटके तो बंदा पूछे ना.
Yeah, exactly.
But Salman Khan, I would like to.
Okay.
At some point. Pakistan, who have I not interviewed that I would really want to interview? Done it all. The cricketers.
The cricketers.
Babar Bhai.
Huh.
I want to profile Babar Azam.
Okay.
I really want to interview the youngsters.
Okay, you haven't.
Musicians? No. Musicians and cricketers. Entertainment में से तो सबको कर लिया है.
Okay.
Shoaib Mansoor देते नहीं है interview, वरना I would want to interview him, but he doesn't give interviews. मैंने कहा जब मेरे पास कुछ
directors? You've interviewed directors? No?
I mean, Kashif Nisar का हसन ने कर लिया था. It was a really good interview. Otherwise, I would have loved to.
Okay.
But
not. Yeah. नहीं. अच्छा ठीक है सही है.
No.
Actors का हो जाएगा ये सही है. Actors को सब पता होता है.
Actors नहीं यार. I mean, I like interviewing people who have like fun stuff to share.
Do you think this is fun?
What?
Interview. It's going good.
This one?
Yeah.
You tell me. You're the interviewer.
I'm the interviewing you.
Yeah.
I'm interviewing you.
हाँ,
you
exactly. You tell me.
In my space?
Oh, in your